This guide will show you how to install Trufiber's 2005 to 2009 Mustang carbon fiber LG52 splash guards.
Please note, you do not need to remove your tire to install this product. We have done this for a clear shot of the steps needed to install these splash guards.
Start by removing the two Phillips screws. You can do this with an L-shaped screwdriver. Next, line up your new mudguard, clip into place, and then reinsert the two Phillips screws. Once you have tightened your screws, repeat these steps for the other side. Then you have completed your install.
For more Trufiber and TruCarbon products, visit trufiber.com or trucarbon.net.